So I'm with Stephanie, and she wants to get her roommate Shelby this morning. And I will have her tell you guys why. Hello?
Hi, Stephanie. Why do you not like Shelby?
Because 2 years ago, she did this to me. I'm ready for revenge. Here she goes. She's going to open the door. She's opening the door. Here we go.
Hello. Do you know what this is?
Yes.
How are you doing, princess?
I hate all of you. Hi, Johnjay and Rich.
Hello, good morning,
Shelby.
sunshine. That was the loudest scream I think I have ever heard on a chainsaw wake-up.
Is your body vibrating right now?
Yes.
All right. Well, good morning.